Dear colleagues and friends, it is with great excitement that I invite you to the upcoming ESRA Trainees workshop in the stunning city of Porto. This workshop is dedicated to empowering trainees with hands-on experience in two essential areas: regional anesthesia ultrasound sessions, crisis management environment, designed to prepare you for real-life scenarios in a safe, supportive and friendly environment.
Hi everyone, my name is Josip and I work in Sweden together with our colleagues from Portugal, Lara and Clara. This year we're gonna move to a modern simulation center and we invite you to participate in our course. 2 days of intensive hands-on training plus simulations training in regional anesthesia together with ESRA instructors and experienced ESRA examiners. Welcome!
Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your skills, gain confidence and experience the ESRA spirit in one of Europe's most beautiful cities.